overdressed like a playboy. Or you can catch me up in Riviera's Tuesday night. Pillow fights with Dominican mothers. That's what happens when it's suede on the roof. Swerving lane to lane in the coupe. Shit, if I crash it, probably just leave it as a token that your boy could've died right there, no joking. Eating well so my foot's swollen. Fucking man, I'm rolling, you rolling or not. The boat plane's waiting at the dock. I wonder if he'll let me fly it, but it's a long shot. The money eases everybody's mind. Put kids through school, new titties on wives. New tits for the mistress, fucking new titties for everybody, it's Christmas.
I saw you standing in the rain. You were holding his hand, and I'll never be the same, no.
I used MILFHunter.com to ease the pain. It was 92 degrees with rain. Right before the seasons changed, on trees just a little bit of leaves remain. My heart broke when this cock was in your throat. But fuck that Atlanta chopper on a boat. Heard you fuck Ryan Phillippe and One Oak. My man seen you both at the Sunoco, kissing and touching. Lana said that this was your cousin. Shit, I should've known when you stole money. Bitch, called the cops and rolled on me. So good, I got old money to lay on any motherfucking beach on the planet and crush linen colored salmon. Re-examine my life and make sure I'm never dumb again. But first, slide your panties to the side, girl, I'm coming in.
I saw you